Show the complete ionic and not ionic forms of the following equations. So you can use the solubility rules. You can open it at your desk. Can you open the solubility rules at your Chrome, whatever you have?
Is it posted?
Yeah, it's posted from the last week.
Is it a picture?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
this is, do you see it now?
Yeah, I have it on my thing.
Do you see, I already shared it with you now, the screen. Do you see it on my screen?
Oh, we still see the practice problem.
Okay, okay. So here, if you use it, please use it and come back to me at the same time. You have to look at this ionic equation, at this equation. This is a chemical equation. Okay, this is what we call it, a chemical equation. We will not solve all of them, but just I will post them for you. Okay, do you see this is, we call it what? Chemical equation. And what we call, say, this is equation by name. Okay? This is chemical equations. This is, okay, equation by name. We write it. And this is the only difference. This is, you have to complete. Number 6, you have to complete. You have to guess the products. So 3 types of equations. In the test, you will get them because what, why? Even I prefer sometimes this one, the number 3, because I want to check if the students know how to write the chemical equations for each, the molecular formula. Okay, and also here I want to see if the students know how to complete the equation at the same times know the type of it. Remember that we study even the type of it. This is what the type of it. If you look at it, what is the type? Number 6, what is the type of this equation?
Word equation.
It's yeah, it's word equation, but what is the type of it? This is not
Time
an
is
equation. This is word equation. This is number 3 word equation. Number 1 is chemical equation. Here our skeleton equation. Here is word equation. Here what I am asking about the type of equation. It's chemical equation, but even if he asks you what is the type, it will be double displacement. And here he will not ask you what is the type. When we ask you what the type, it's mean single, double, combustion. He is asking you about this. Okay? Here, when we ask you write the chemical equation by word. Write the chemical equation by their molecular formula. Okay? Write the chemical equation, the not ionic for this chemical equation. Or as here, he should complete the ionic and not ionic of the following equations. So he doesn't say type. He will not ask you what is the type. Okay, by referring to your solubility, that's for the solubility rules that is posted on your Google Classroom. You have to check this. And even here, it's easy. I will not bring it this way. I want you to do guess which one is the solid. Here it's given the solid. But please, can you return back to the solubility rules and check who? Do you see that all compounds, all chlorides are soluble except those who comes with the silver, with the mercury, with lead? Okay? Do you know this or not? Okay? All chloride are soluble. I will read it for you. Most chloride combines with the chloride except silver chloride, barium chloride, and also I want to tell you mercury. This is not everything inside it, this one, and also the mercury. Okay, so how to write the not ionic equation? Just simply, is it balanced first of all? Check it, it's balanced equation. So then we will write silver.
no.
What? No.
Oh, sorry, yes.
Okay, if no, let me know. I just will make it bigger.
No, just give me 1 second.
Yeah. So here, second he left. Okay, plus. And don't forget the ions. Minus. Okay, and here, expect always your solid in the product. Your solid always in the product side. Potassium plus chlorine minus plus. It will give us silver chloride. Solid. Potassium nitrate. I did something wrong. What is it? Who is with me? Who is here?
I'm here.
What I did wrong?
You separated the K and the Cl.
Here?
Yeah.
With this, it's aqueous. It's aqueous, so we can separate it. We cannot separate the solid,
Okay.
the gases. But in the solid state, we can separate them easily. Yusuf, what I did wrong?
Miss, the equation is already balanced.
Yeah, it's balanced, but I have to complete it. I have to write it in the ionic equation, in the ionic form. I wrote the silver nitrate because it's aqueous. I wrote the potassium chloride because it's aqueous. I cannot write the silver chloride. Okay?
You have to separate the potassium and then the
Yes, I have to separate potassium and nitrate. Okay, because it's aqueous, and then I have to cancel silver. I cannot cancel. Nitrate, I can cancel. You see, I cancel the same. Potassium, I can cancel. Chlorine, I cannot cancel because there is nothing similar to it. What we call these elements or ions or molecules that I cancelled. What is the name of them? We call them the spectator ions. We call them the spectator ions. Okay? The ions that we cancel from both sides, we call them the spectator ions. Remember this, these are the spectator ions. Okay? And so now I cancelled everything. I will left over with silver plus chlorine minus. It give me silver chloride solid. That's all. This is what we call it net ionic equation. Is it hard? I now will give a magnesium chloride plus ammonium carbonate. I will write it in the whiteboard and will check with somebody to do it. Are you ready? Hello?
for the second one.
Yes.
Number 4.
Miss?
I can't see.
Okay, I have to erase the board. Do you see now? I want to cancel everything. To clean it. Number 4. I will share it with you in the...
Miss?
Yes.
So I have to leave at 8:30 because I gotta go to my cousin's house. It's his birthday today.
Wow.
Yeah.
Aha. We are gonna eat cake, yeah?
Yeah.
Did you buy for him any gift?
Oh yeah, I bought him a perfume.
Oh, mashallah.
Yeah.
Rich guy.
It
شو
is what it is.
Shoppers, they sell it for 20. Are you gonna get this is for the 21 or something? Wow.
No. Like it's Dior, so
Oh,
yeah, it's a bit expensive.
mashallah. I will invite you to my birthday. So, yeah, Safa,
Okay, I'll come.
when is your birthday?
Oh, my birthday's June 29th.
June 29th. Oh, you are me and you near from each other's.
Really?
Yeah, 15 July.
Oh,
Oh,
nice.
We have the same astroscope. Well, I don't know how to say it. This is the cancer. I have it.
Yeah. So,
Yeah, we are moody. Cry so fast. Materials. Okay, you can leave. Okay.
okay, miss.
We
Thank
are
you.
kidding with you for sure regarding the perfumes. Inshallah, when you graduate and you go to the university and get the best degree, we are the one who should bring for you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, I uploaded. Okay. So just start. When I ask you, well, let's write it. Start for example number 4. All of you,
Miss, it's not posted for me.
check it. It's maybe take just a few seconds. All of you, who can see it?
Okay, I see it now.
Okay. Please try number 4. Chemistry grade 11 is really smooth. Chemistry grade 12 is heavy. Okay, I will stop sharing. Okay, did you try it? Who can write?
Miss, no one can write.
No, there are 2 who can write.
Who are they?
I can't, Miss.
You
Yeah,
are
I can't also.
You are happy, yeah? Okay, magnesium chloride, ammonium carbonate. How to write magnesium chloride?
Would it be
MgCl.
Okay, you have to tell me. I don't know. magnesium chloride, and ammonium carbonate. Is it correct? I don't know. It's not my responsibility.
1 second, Miss. What is it? Ammonium chloride?
Yeah. Ammonium carbonate. Is it correct?
No.
This is manganese, not magnesium. It's Mn.
Oh,
Uh,
magnesium. Oh, I thought it's magnesium.
No, it's me too. Me too. Me too. Okay. But just when I saw the number 2, I said why? Manganese has just only one. And then I recognized that I already did it mistake. Magnesium, let's talk with each other's. Magnesium is like this. Manganese is this one.
Mn.
Okay?
Yeah, okay.
And this is 2 plus. Both of them 2 plus, just to let you know. But this is manganese. Manganese. You still remember? The first letter and the third.
Yeah.
And this is mag. Because also the second letter is A. So we, with the symbol of it, the first and the third. So we have to, this magnesium is a group 2. Manganese, it's what? Which group? Which group?
7.
It's
Transition metal.
transition metals. This is what we need to know. Okay, this is transition metals. If I don't know if it's transition metals, I don't have experience that manganese is a transition metals. How did you guess, Safa?
I have my periodic table.
No. I don't want from the periodic table. Just from the given, please. How we can know that manganese is from the transition elements. When he gave it to me, he said manganese, and he wrote number 2.
Yeah, manganese 2 plus.
What does this mean? No, he write the Romanium number.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Do you see my whiteboard?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. He wrote manganese and this number. Do you see it?
Yeah.
And if you remember, at the start of our start lesson, we studied how to give name for the compounds. And we said the one which would transition metals, we have to give the name and then we have to write the number, the Romanium number. Because, for example, iron, we say iron 3 chloride. Okay, which mean iron, it's a 3 plus and the chloride. Do you remember this or not? At the end, it's iron 3. Because iron is a transition metal. And this is metal. While when I have sodium, I say sodium chloride directly. Why? Because sodium is group 1. So it's sodium plus 1 and the chlorine. I want to give you, I will go to page number 2 and give you 2 elements and you have to give me the name. The name. I will give you the molecular formula and you have to give me the name. Even though I am talking all the time about them. Look here. Mn chloride and Mg chloride. Do you see this? Please give me their name.
The first one is manganese 2 chloride.
Man.
Manganese 2 chloride.
2 Romanium.
Yeah, chloride.
MashaAllah, son. And
And the second one is magnesium dichloride. Dichloride.
magnesium. 2
Dichloride. No, dichloride.
D?
Yeah, it's D2 same.
No, no,
It's not same.
no. We don't say. We say chloride. We say magnesium chloride.
Oh yeah, magnesium chloride. Oh.
I will ask you another question. N2O5. Give me the name. Is there any metal here? Is any metal in this compound?
No.
No, because nitrogen in which group? Nitrogen is a group 5.
5.
It's non-metal. Hello, Abbas, Yusuf, Ali, Sana, Safa.
Yeah.
Are you here?
Yes, miss.
I'm here.
So
Yes.
this is non-metal and her friend is non-metal. Okay? Both of them non-metal. Okay? So how to give this is the name?
Would it be nitrogen di?
Yes.
Fi-
Dinitrogen.
No, sorry. Nitrogen. Oh, okay. Dinitrogen and then
Penta
Pentoxide.
oxide. What do you see? This is summarize everything.
Yeah.
This is summarize for me everything. So when I have metal, not from the transition metals, just the normal metals from group 1, 2, and 3. Because I have only metals in group 1, 2, and 3. I give normal name. I just give the normal name. While when I have metal, but a transition, I have to give what? Just to be careful, I have to give the Roman number. Only. Beside it, I have to write the Roman number. And when I have non-metal, I have to use di, penta, hexa, deca. Did you understand?
Yes.
This example is really good. Okay? It summarized for me the naming all of them. But you just need to know the difference between metal and non-metal, and then naming is easy. Is this helpful, this example?
Yes. Miss, I have
Yeah.
Yes, Safa.
for the first one, why do
Yeah.
we have 2 in the middle? Why can't we put it as like dichloride?
Dichloride. But this is 2 not for the chloride. This is manganese. Go and check where is it. You told me it's in group 7 in the transition metals. This is because transition metals, they don't have one charge.
Mhm.
Their charge vary. Okay? So I just want to tell, for example, tell me now. I will write for you iron. Just give me 1 minute. Iron, I am giving you this one in the test. Iron, chloride. I will say chloride because I don't care about it. Okay, iron chloride. Now, every one of you have to tell me how to write it. What is the molecular formula of iron chloride?
Would it,
I know iron, be careful. Iron is a transition metal or normal metal or the metal?
transition?
Transition metal. Okay, so how to write it?
Fe
Okay, I will write it Fe.
Cl3
Cl3. Another. Who can tell me?
Cl2, not 3.
Good, 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 good. FeCl2, very good. So Ali, or who said Cl3?
Me.
Okay,
Sam.
Sam. And Safa said FeCl2. Each one of you tell me why. I gave you my instructions are good. I said iron chloride. Why you wrote it this way? Why you wrote it this way?
I wrote I wrote instead of 2 because if it was 1 it would be chlorine. If it was 3 it would be, I think, chlor8 or something like that.
No, it will be chloride.
Yeah, so it's chloride, which
It's a
means
chloride. So how did you know that it's 2, not 3?
because in grade 12 we do like we classify it in this way. We do like ane and then ide.
No. That one, sulfate. Do you mean sulfate?
Yes.
Sulfite?
Yeah.
No, that one completely something different. When it end by ID, it means just Cl. That one chlorate with ClO, there is the presence of LO3. Chlorite, which means LO2. Chloride, which means just Cl. That 8 and 8 mean the presence of oxygen. 8 and 8 mean the presence of oxygen. Okay? 8 and 8, when they say for me sulfate, this is mean there is oxygen. When they say for me sulfite, there is oxygen. When they say nitrate, nitrite, this is mean there is oxygen. No, this is a chlorine, chloride, this is mean there is no oxygen.
Mhm.
So, because just chloride is a chloride. The problem between you and Sun is the tree that you didn't know if iron should be 3 plus or iron should be 2 plus. Because this is when we did the crisscross, this is 2 came from the iron, and this 3 came from the iron. You didn't know which iron I am using because I didn't give you sufficient information. When I say magnesium, it's okay because there is only one magnesium. There is only one magnesium. So you will not be confused. When I say aluminium, do you feel confused?
No.
Aluminium is just a 3 plus. But when I say iron, you will be confused because we have more than one charge. Okay? So because of this, I say iron 3 or iron 2.
Would copper be 2?
Yeah, copper, I have to say, is it copper 1 or copper 2? Okay? In copper, also, I am in page 3. If I told you, write for me copper, copper chloride, for example, also, because we are not studying the second one. Copper chloride am I giving you sufficient information, Yusuf?
No, you're not.
Okay, so what I have to do?
We have to look for copper and choose which charge.
So if I said for you it's 2, I am
Now,
giving
now we have sufficient information, so we can do Cu2 plus,
yeah,
Cu,
yeah.
Cl2.
Do you see, Safa?
Yes.
So this is, now I know why he is giving me this. Now I know why he is doing this. For me, if I said aluminium, look here. Aluminium chloride. Do I need to give you that it's 3?
No, because we already know.
Because there is only one aluminium.
Mhm.
Okay? Did you understand? And Here in Canada, if you recognize, if we have Safa and we have another Safa, they call you Safa A at the class. Did you recognize this ever?
No.
No one of you have the same, another student's name, the same?
Yes, I have
Yeah, what they call him?
Brandon B and Brandon F, I think.
Yeah, do you see? They use the first letter, not the family name, the first letter of the family name. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, my son, his name Malik H. When I go to the school, they say Malik H, and I get surprised why H, and why not the family name? Because just want to recognize from another student. And here, this is just to let you recognize, is it this one or the Kabar plus one? Okay? Just this is why. Okay? And here you don't need at all because there is no except aluminium one. So they call it you Safa. They don't say Safa H or Safa A.
Mhm.
Okay? Did you understand it? So
Yes.
this exercise number in page 2 is really very important. And you write note for yourself. When we have non-metals, okay? So I have to give die, buy, try. When I have metal, and it's just one metal, I know it from group 1 or group 2 or group 3, I don't need from him to tell me the number. But when I have transition metals, I need from him to tell me the number. And he expressed this number in the Roman numbers. Is it good?
Yes.
Yes, Alhamdulillah. So we learned something good. We will go back now. Okay, now let's complete this one. It's very easy now. And it wasn't magnesium, it was manganese. Is this right? It was manganese.
Yeah.
And 2. And he told me it's 2. I am not smart. He told me. Because and maybe 2 and maybe 5 sometimes. And here ammonium carbonate. Is it right? Did I write it the correct way?
No,
Oh, I Sam, mashallah, Sam. Today he is
because you
doing,
have to put the 2 between NH4 and
yes,
CO3.
very good. Because ammonium, it's +1. But carbonate, if I go to the, it's 2 minus. Okay? So now I have to continue. I want Abbas to help me. Abbas,
Yes,
البعيد مع this is the far with the far and the near with the near. Do you know this rule? Double displacement.
yeah, I know it.
Yeah, if I don't want to think and use my mind that this is metal should go with the non-metals and this is non-metals should go with the metal and I have to think positive and negative. Just the, you see, it's beautiful. I am as if I am drawing, I don't know, what something that they are near, they are neighbors and those, they are very far. So I will put them together. Is this helpful? So magnesium, manganese, carbonate. Is it good? I will not say if it's good or not. Ammonium chloride. Anything is I should correct or it's correct? Please tell me, is it correct? Is the balance good? Students, hello.
Yes, that's good.
An. Chlorine. No, it's not nice. Chlorine, I should add in the front of it to be balanced. Then ammonium too, it's ammonium. Now it's good. Okay, and now you have to ionize them. Is it here? I have to Mn. Okay, 2 plus. If I didn't do correct, please let me. Okay, and then which one is the solid? I didn't know. Which one is the solid?
Would it be the manganese?
Which one?
Manganese.
Manganese what? Manganese by herself only? Which
Yeah.
compound here is the solid? It should be where? In the reactant side or in the product side?
Reactant.
And my solid, always my precipitate in the product side. Always my precipitate in the product side.
Okay.
Okay? And even it's written, it's this one. Solubility rules at your carbonate. Do you have carbonate to say for you if this the one that I give it to you, it's not good this much. I have to give you one contains more elements. It's not written in it that carbonate when comes with manganese, it will be a solid. But this one is solid. So it will stay as it. Plus NH4. Okay. Is it good? I have to cancel. Manganese, I cannot. Chlorine. Ammonium. No, manganese. No, there is nothing. There is nothing here. Okay, and then who can tell me? This is my not ionic equation. And then what are my spectator ions?
The 2Cl.
Cl minus and
Ammonia.
ammonia. Very good. The one that we cancelled.
Yeah.
The one that we cancelled. Okay. So this is our spectator ions. We don't need to know anymore. And then I will give you that paper to practice, and I will give you the solutions even for it. Okay. Already I give it to you. Just to practice a little bit. And I will send for you the solution of it. Okay. Before the test. So to study from it. Now I will go to page number 4. And we will study something new. When we studied the acid and bases. Properties of acid and bases. properties of acid and bases. Who knows some properties of acid and bases from our home? From our home. Give me example.
Wouldn't acid be like lemon juice?
Yes. Another example about the acid, guys. Who knows?
Is it cleaning products?
Cleaning product, is it acid?
No, for base.
Yes, it's a base. Also, another example. Another properties for acid and bases at our home.
Orange juice?
Orange juice is acid, lemon is acid, but I want the properties that we know about it. Those, uh, uh, who drive a car?
Me.
Yeah. What about the battery of your car?
Yeah, it's in good condition.
What is it?
So, what are you asking?
It says acid. The battery of your car is
Oh,
acid.
yeah.
And why we use it? We don't use the base. Why we don't use the base?
Because it's reactive?
Because of this reason. Because of the first reason written here. Do you see the screen?
Yes.
Yeah. Base are. Oh, no. This is not the one that I want to give it to you. But even base are weak conductor of electricity. This is not the one. Base are weak conductor of electricity. And acid are good conductor of electricity. This is the reason why we use the acid, we don't use the base. And even if did ever you touch by mistake detergents, especially these detergents for cleaning the washroom,
Yes.
what is the feeling of it?
It kind of burns after a while.
Yeah, slippery.
Yeah.
It's slippery. This is one of the characteristic of it. Okay, and some of the reactions that we have to know regarding acid and bases. We need to study some reaction of the acid, and I give it you to last time when I told you when metal react with acid, it gives us what? You don't study. What we have, what it will give us.
Will it be like bubbly and then smoke will come out?
What about which gas? Yusuf, usually you study and come prepared. What happened to you?
Oh, I'm sorry, did you mention my name?
Yeah,
What was the question?
you are not with us. I said usually you come prepared.
Yeah.
And what happened?
Like, I don't know what you mean. Like, I'm with you.
Yeah, but usually when I ask, oh, you always with me and give answers. I recognize that you stopped sharing at the class.
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, you stopped sharing. You stopped as
Like,
if
I know, like, sometimes I know the answers, but I, like, don't share.
okay,
Like, it's not, like, because I don't know the answer.
okay. What are the some properties of the acids when they react with metals? What they give me? Which type of gases? Which type of
Like,
gas? Huh?
acids with what?
With metal.
Not really sure. Like which kind of gas?
Which can it hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas plus salt. And I give it to you, and I give it to you the test of hydrogen gas, pop sound.
Sorry,
Okay?
I didn't remember it.
I didn't give it? I didn't explain it?
No, I said I didn't remember it. I forgot.
Yeah. And the other one, metal carbonate. Metal carbonate. Metal carbonate plus acid. Any acid, not necessarily the HCl. Any acid. Here, any acid. It give us salt. Carbon dioxide is the most important. Water plus salt. These are properties of the acid. When they react with acid, the metal will give me hydrogen gas. But when metal carbonate react with the acid, it gives me carbon dioxide. Okay? And we get the dumb example. For example, zinc plus HCl. Acid HCl, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, whatever. It will give me the same product, hydrogen, and then salt. But the salt will be depend on this. It's a metal, it's solid. Zinc chloride. And here metal. If I have zinc carbonate plus acid, it will give me what? Zinc carbonate plus carbon dioxide plus water. Do you still remember this or not? Another things for them is the properties that we have, what we call it, acidity. We have the pH scale. pH, which mean power of hydrogen. If pH, if this power of the hydrogen ranges between 0 to 6.9, so my medium is acidic. If my pH ranges from what? 7.1 to 14, it will be basic. And if pH equal 7, it will be what? Neutral. Do you know this? Okay, is it okay or not?
Yes.
You know this or not?
Yes.
Okay. What now about phenolphthalein and methyl orange? Do you know about phenolphthalein and methyl orange?
No.
Okay. How to test? How to test if we have acidic or basic medium? Tell me. How to test? There are many ways. Can you tell me one of them?
Miss, are you on another page?
pH scale. We have the pH scale. It's just we dip it. I have to show you it. Just a minute. Do you see this?
Yes.
Okay, this is the most of the time they use it even in the clinic and on the lab to test the urine. So they dip it into the urines or even in the solutions in the Pepsi or this whatever. That's just they dip it and see if the acidity is high or the basicity or it's neutral. Do you see this is the range of them? It's depend if the solution, if I dipped a paper from this and give me yellow color, this is mean that it's acid and its acidity equals 3. If give me violet, it will have two ranges between 12, 13, 14. So I have to check which color exactly it gave me. So just we have to dip a paper and this paper have to give us a certain color. Okay, this is one way. And also we have the methyl orange and the phenolphthalein. Just we put some drops. And if the color of them change, so this is mean we have acid or base. For example, phenolphthalein is a solution which is colorless. When I put some drops in acid, it will stay colorless. If one drop of phenolphthalein I add it to the base, it will turns into pink. Okay? Same for methyl orange. Okay, it will stay red or orange with acid and turns into yellow. Okay, with the basic. And we have the another one, the litmus papers. We have the litmus paper. So we have the litmus paper, we have the solution, methyl orange and phenolphthalein, we have the pH scale, and we have also the pH metric, which when dip it, it's the same as the thermometer. When we dip it, it give us a number. It give us directly a number. Okay? I don't know if I will upload it for you YouTube to see how he tested the pH by different methods. I don't know if you still see my screen when I open another page, but this is how we test. This is the most famous one, the pH scale at the school. This is they use it at the lab to test the presence of acidity or basicity. Okay, so now I have to give you examples about how to find the value of pH. How to find the value of the pH. If he given 0.1 mole of HCl, okay, in 100 milliliter solution, okay, find pH value. We know that pH, just this in grade 11, you just need this. pH equal minus log H plus. Only we will ask you about the H plus, nothing more. Okay? And so this is mean the concentration. It means concentration of hydrogen. Okay? Are you with me? So this is concentration of hydrogen. Look at it. Did he give me the concentration? He gave me 0.1 mole. And how to find the concentration? Before I solve this, I need to find the concentration. Concentration equal number of moles over volume. So this is mean concentration. And it's in mole, the unit in mole per liter or molarity. And number of moles V volume in liter in mole. Okay? Did you understand?
Yeah.
Did you ever use this before, the concentration? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, so and you, I know. Ali and San, did you ever use this equation before?
I think so, yeah.
Ali,
A bit. No,
you didn't see it before.
no.
Okay, so to find the concentration, we got this concentration equal number of moles over volume. Okay, and here, what you see, what value I have to substitute here? It should be concentration. To find the pH, to know if it's solid, if acid or base, I need to substitute the concentration. So I have to go to find the concentration and then go up and substitute it. Concentration equal the number of moles. How much is the number of moles? Is 0.1. And the volume is 0.1. Okay, how much it will be? It will be 0.01 mole per liter. Okay, so this value I will go up and I say pH equal. How much? It's 10 minus 2. And if I use it in my calculator, it will be 2. Is it correct or not?
Miss, how did you get that 10?
10 because it's 0.01. 10 minus 2. 1, 2. 10 minus 2. Exponent. Do you know? Any one of you find difficulty in this?
Oh, okay, okay. I got it.
Okay, any one of you got difficulty in this? I will give another. Are you writing?
Yes, miss.
Miss, I have a
Okay.
question.
Yeah.
So, like when I want to review, you usually record the meet. So where can I see it, like the video, like the recording?
I have to check and I will send you a message.
Yeah, sure. Because sometimes for the test before we want to review, and it would be helpful if we can see the session.
It will not be easy because, yeah, if you are watching all the video, yes, but if you want just to check something, the handwriting is miserable. I I don't know.
Yeah, it will be helpful.
Yeah, it will be.
Yeah,
But sometimes to study even day by day, it will be more helpful.
yeah, I agree with you. But like my question is like, where can we see the?
I found them once. It's in the meeting, but do you know how I will find it? It's completely different about you.
Yeah, I don't know in Zoom, to be honest.
Okay, I will check
Yeah, sure.
and see if this it's the same way for you.
Yeah, okay, sure. Thank you.
Okay, so now I want from you all to solve this example. Okay, did you understand anything? Find page number 2. Find the pH of 0.1 mole per liter nitric acid. Is it acidic or basic? Please find it by yourself. And let me change here. I want you to work more. Okay, start. Start this, please.
Miss, is that 0.05
Yeah,
in 100
yeah, in 100 milliliter nitric acid.
of
Do you know-
nitric acid? What about the other one?
Is it acidic or basic? I will retype it.
Yeah, because I can't read it.
I don't know why I forget to use this way.
Miss, can I leave?
Yes. Happy birthday for your friend. Enjoy your time.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye. So, mm, why we cannot erase? I wrote it over it. I cannot. Please try this one. Here there is letter F. Okay. Okay, is it clear now?
Yes.
I don't know why it's wrong. Maybe there is letter. Okay. Did you solve it?
Yeah. This your text is not showing. It's just a blue box.
Safa, do you see the test now? The text?
Yes, I said.
Okay. Please finish it. Okay, anyone? Okay, Abbas. Abbas, do you know? Abbas, do you know?
I haven't finished it yet, miss, but I find this acid first. But I didn't finish the rest. I'm work on it.
Okay, what?
I
Sorry?
said I just find I found the first part, which is it is acid, but I haven't finished it all.
Okay.
I'm work on it.
This is 3 parts. Find first of all. I have this. So he need from me to find the pH. To find the pH, I cannot use them. pH saying, all of you are with me, pH. I never finish my lesson. I never finish it. I don't know if we can finish the part that I want still. There is nothing to give in for grade 11. We have to move. Minus log H plus. Okay, I need the concentration of the hydrogen. So I have the mole and the milliliter, I cannot. So I have to go here and say concentration equal N over V. N equals 0 point, and volume is 0.1. So it's equal 0.005 molarity. Is it clear till now? Anyone has difficulty use this?
Miss, to get 0.1, you just divide 100 by 100? Or I
By
mean,
1,000, by 1,000.
1,000. Yeah, okay.
So this is the molarity. And then I substitute it. Minus log. Okay, it's 5 times minus 3. Okay, how much is the pH, Safa?
I found it. It's 1.3.
1.3 molarity. That's good. So now is it acidic or
Miss,
basic?
it's not 1.30.
1.30? There is no difference.
I think so.
No difference.
Okay.
The 0 to the right make no difference.
It's acidic.
Okay, it's acidic. Solution is acidic. Okay, and also the last one. What is the color of phenolphthalein? He said it's colorless. When I dip it in this solution, it change it into what?
Pink.
Into what?
Is it pink or red?
Pink.
Pink or red, yes. It will be pink or red. And when it turns into pink or red, this is mean my solution is basic or acidic?
Basic. I mean acidic.
Acidic. Dipping. Phenolphthalein paper. In solution. Give a pink color, which means acidic. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
That's all. I want to finish the last part, which is the conjugate
Yes.
and conjugate base. Okay, finish this and let's try. Finish?
Yes.
And Friday, I am not sure if we will stay 20 minutes more or something. I will leave now. Did you understand everything? Just I have to show you the video. Let me share this, just the screen. Okay, just a minute. Screen share. The YouTube. I cancel it. Okay.
Here's one thing you need to do before buying anything online. Don't spend another dime on Amazon until you watch this first. Watch this. I can show you how to get the sweetest deals online when you shop from major retailers like Amazon and Target. You can drop prices automatically. I can show you how. But I can't do it for you. People are saving real money doing this. $160 million in the last year. Across thousands of different retailers, you'll immediately see this. See what I mean? You'll see better prices you had no idea existed. And you don't even have to ask. They just show up automatically. Download this free tool that'll give you access to the deals. Just click, click. Done. That's it. Simple. It takes all of 10 seconds, and there's no need to enter any personal information. There's no technical mumbo jumbo. It's that easy.
You can skip the video.
It takes less than 30 seconds to start saving.
Hello, viewers. Today, taken from different locations. Sample A, sample
Do you
B,
understand
and
him?
sample C. We need
Do you understand him?
pH strips and glass rod. So,
Do you understand?
No, I can't hear him that good.
Okay, do you see this is small things? This is the litmus paper. It's blue and red, but the one in the box, it's the pH scale. Okay, let me find one easy. They don't do it brief and make us feel okay. They make
this is
the scale. Do you
soil
see?
meter, soil
Do you see the scale? This is the scale.
multimeter, soil N.
Do you see my screen?
Yes.
So this is the scale. They cannot in the school, or even though we use it, this is metric scale. But mostly the phenolphthalein, you have to know the phenolphthalein and the pH.
30 seconds demonstration of soil quick test platform. Firstly, connect the sensor and platform. Wait for 5 seconds. Then soil temperature, humidity, conductivity, pH, NPK will be displayed on the screen. The user can view different parameters by pressing the up and down key. Soil sensor is divided into 3 pins and 5 pins version. The former can measure temperature, humidity, conductivity, and the later increased pH and NPK 2 parameters.
If you want to push your control engineers to the next level and start with IT/OT convergence, then check out PhD.
In today's episode, you will learn how to measure the board using the Modbus voltages.
No,
So we
this is
decided
not.
to use.
Okay, I want you to see only the metric. This is done the video that I display. This is another one. Okay, I will upload the most suitable one. Okay, and that's all for today. I will not explain the new
30
one.
seconds
This is the one before it.
demonstration of soil quick test platform.
Okay. Do you see now my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Do you see this is the pH scale? Do you see when I point to something?
Yes.
This is the pH scale. Okay. This is the pH metric. pH meter. Okay. They call it the metric. And where is it? We did it. This is the scale. No. And do you see this is the two that I told you about? Just we need the other method. This. Do you see this one? Hello, do you see this one?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is what we call it acid-base indicator. The litmus paper. Do you see the name? Litmus paper. And mostly we use it in the school because it's cheaper one, the cheapest one, so we can use it at the school. Okay? No, I don't need to open this one. Okay, anyway, this is good picture. Just do you see it's blue? Its color, it's either blue or red. Okay, it's depend on the solution I dipped it in. If it's acid, it will be red. If it's base, it will be blue. The blue will stay blue in the base, and the red will stay red in the acid. But if in the opposite of it, it will turn into either blue or red. Okay, and there is also the phenolphthalein. Let me see the phenolphthalein. It's just a solution. Normal solution, just we dip them as this one. This is universal indicator. It's okay. But as it, we have a solution written on its phenolphthalein and its colorless. So this is when I added to the solution, its color change. Okay? Did you understand anything? I will upload it for you, inshallah. And I want conjugate acid and conjugate base. I will just,